Jim, what spooked the markets today and why now?
All right, well, first, Shep, thank you so much for having me on. I think that what spooked people is that when you get certain numbers, they begin to think we're going to go back into lockdown. Yeah. When we go back into lockdown, then there is a dramatic decline in employment and a dramatic decline in the amount of money that people have without a stimulus package. So I think it was a logical move. And for a moment, we forgot about the possibility that the vaccine's around the corner. So, Shep, we got the bad, none of the good.
I wonder, though, this lack of a stimulus bill, this lack of disaster relief, is Wall Street now pricing that in, too?
Yeah, I think they are. I mean, I think that there's a lot of people in Wall Street who would say, can we just accept the fact that there won't be a stimulus anything near term? But what we are really worried about is individual lockdowns. I know that there are a lot of people who want to go to bars and restaurants. A lot of people want to go out. And there's 14 million people involved in the hospitality industry. Those are the people and their families that are most directly impacted by the fact that there may not be a stimulus package. So if we see the shutdowns and we started seeing airline traffic go down again, we started seeing hotel, the reservations are terrible. They're talking about 50% occupancy around the country. You know, Shep, that's not the way you can maintain any growth.
Is there uncertainty within the markets on the election? Because I've heard you and so many on CNBC in the morning say that a Biden win is sort of priced in already. Is that right?
I think a Biden win is priced in. I do not think a Senate, the so-called blue wave, is priced in, if only because people are just now beginning to get their arms around the idea that their capital gains, particularly wealthy people, since they're the ones that have capital gains, their taxes are going to go up. But I've got to tell you, Shep, there was just kind of an overhang, a kind of a belief that, you know what, let's take some profits ahead of this election. Who knows if it's going to be a disputed election? These COVID numbers keep going up. I'm telling people, look, just stay the course. We've seen worse, and I think that the fact that the fatality rate is low is somewhat reassuring, even as it is going up. I listened to what you had to say about masks, and boy, are you ever right. A lot of this is our own fault.
Yeah, follow the Fauci. If we just all wear masks, if everyone would do it, you wonder why big business and big tech and Wall Street in general is pushing the rest of the country to say, if you wear it, we won't die. If you wear it, our economy will return. Well, where are they?
Honeywell's behind it, doing the right thing. 3M, I'm seeing it from Walgreens. Under Armour, it's a groundswell. It's happening. You're right. They're going to fall in line. I promise you.
It's great to be your post-game show.
Thank you. I'm thrilled that you're coming. I'm thrilled to see you. I worked with you at another point in my career, and you're every bit as great as then. And I thank you for all your kindness.
Group hug.
Yeah.
Good to see you.
We could. One day we will.
One day. Thank you.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.